The day has finally come. We just got back from Stupid Cold, and the parts came in. I can't believe this is happening today. I got my lift on. Oh my God, look at that fucking fit, man! Oh! Perfect. Yeah, totally kidding. Coilovers are coming soon, but today I am doing an oil change. I didn't really plan on making a video of this, but at the same time, I don't have a lot of content to film, so anything that I can film, I'm gonna film. So, let's get started. Car is already jacked up. I popped the hood to let it cool down a little bit because I've been driving for the past like 30 minutes to go get the oil. Fuck you, O'Reilly's, because that 5 quarts of Mobil 1 5W30 full synthetic at O'Reilly's was $45. Don't know why. So then I was Googling that same brand, and at Walmart it's $25. It's almost double at O'Reilly's. Double what Walmart is asking. Like, that's ridiculous. That's stupid. Even with me going to Walmart and walking out of O'Reilly's, it was still $70 for all the things that I needed. I got windshield wipers too, but still, if I would have been at O'Reilly's and I would have paid the $45 for the 5 quarts, it would have been more. So that's fucking ridiculous. I love making YouTube videos, but one of my main problems with making them is that I like videos where I'm with my friends. Videos with my friends make it more entertaining. It adds another character to the vlog. I was talking to ZJ the other day. He's a guy that I met. He's another YouTuber from Louisville in Indiana, like just like right on the line. I was talking to him the other day at Stupid Cold about it. Videos with friends always make it better. But I'm to a point where I can't have all my friends in every single video that I make. So like today, I wanted to make content about me changing the oil on my car because I want my channel to be about me. Like, my channel is called Austin Philbeck because that is my name. But I have a problem when I do shit like this, that I could do this entire oil change and not make a sound. I mean, of course, I'm alone. I'm not talking to myself. I mean, I am now, but I'm talking to a camera, and that's even fucking weirder. But besides the point, I respect people like Evan Shanks for making videos like every day. Of course, like, he does make videos with TJ and like Dustin Williams and shit like them. Like, he sees them, but they aren't characters in the vlog. Even while he was in San Diego, it's not like they were in every single video. Most of his videos are of him. Sometimes Victoria's in them. Sometimes it's just him the entire day. And his videos are so entertaining. I want to get to a point where I can make videos of just myself and it be fine. And I still am proud and love the video. It's still weird being alone in this garage while my dog watches me talk to a camera. Like, it's weird. But I wanted to try it today. I'm going to try to like narrate and actually film the entire oil change, which I mean takes 10 fucking minutes. But I don't know. I wanted to make a video of it. So let's try it. I probably should remember this because I've done an oil change on this car many, many times. But I never remember what size the freaking socket is to take off the skid plate. Ooh, first fucking try. Hell yeah. What is it? It's a half. All right, maybe I'll remember that next time. Probably not. Fuck yeah, I can't believe I got that first try. All right. I can put these back. Here's the ones I was gonna try, but I got it first fucking try. First try, bro. And I wasn't lying, I actually did get it first try. Well, I don't know why I'm finding that so exciting. I need the actual wrench now. Fuck. Shut up. This is gonna be too big. I need a smaller size. Son of a bitch. Let's try it anyways. Ooh, I can tell right now this is not gonna work. Ah, I found you, you slippery son of a bitch. It's not that I don't trust myself with jacking up the car, because I got both jack stands under in good spots or on the frame. I've got the jack still jacked up, so it's still like, it's got pressure in it. But I'm home alone right now, and if this car fell, I don't know, that'd be pretty bad. I get it on video, but that's pretty bad. I want to get the aftermarket skid plate that BMR makes for this car. It saves a little bit of weight. I could just take the skid plate off to begin with, but I don't know, like, I don't build this car to be going fast. Like, of course I want it to go fast, but I don't know, like, I'm not that kind of person. It's like, take out the seats, rip off the door panels, burn it to win it. Okay, I'm an idiot. There it is. So like, this is a solid, like, I don't know, probably 25 pounds, I'd say. I don't know, just a guess. Feels about as heavy as a big bag of dog food. Man, my headers are so pretty. I just like being under my car. Still pretty hot. Oh, fuck. Come on, you bitch. I'm an idiot. I don't know, I cannot think like that when I'm fucking backwards on it. God, this oil is gonna be hot as shit. Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Fuck, it is hot. Oh. Ooh, I'm a fucking master. Didn't even touch me. Oh. Everything's dripping in the drain pan. Okay. Now this part is stupid because even though I'm freaking master drain puller, I cannot avoid the fucking filter because General Motors is retarded and puts it upside down. So no matter what, it's gonna get all over me. Like the BRZ has it in the engine bay. Oh, let's see. If I can just hand twist it off. I can get it. It's gonna hurt me though. Oh, come on, you bitch. There you go. Oh. See? That's fucking retarded. I don't understand that. No matter what, oil is just gonna get everywhere. Yummy. Ooh, chocolate. What was that? Too Fast, Too Furious? I pour the fucking used oil down his throat. Yummy on my fingers. If I had to guess why you were watching my channel, it was because that you are labeled as a car enthusiast. So I don't think I'd have to explain how to change your oil, but just in case, after you jack up the car appropriately, safely, and you take off your skid plate, you locate your oil pan, you will put a oil pan, a drain pan underneath the plug, remove the plug, then remove your oil filter, let all of it drain, and then start your car. Nope, just kidding. Then you put your new oil filter, you get your new oil filter and you get a little bit of oil and you put around it the ring, the rubber gasket ring at the bottom of the filter. And a lot of people think that this filter has to be really, really tight, but in all honesty, if you just really, if you can hand tighten it like really well, you're good. I like the K&N because it's got this nut on the bottom of it that you can use a wrench on, but I don't know, you don't have to have your oil filter that tight. After you get your oil filter on, it's still complicated, I know. Take your drain plug, put it back in. Now, start your car. Again, please don't do that. Oil changes are so easy, and if you're just beginning to learn how to work on your car, you need to learn how to do an oil change. That is the most simple task that you can do by yourself on your car. That, and then brakes, maybe lowering springs if you're trying to modify your car, but this stuff is just simple. Okay, now that everything is tightened, I need to put the new oil in the oil filler hole. But I do not have a filter. Not a filter. I need a funnel, not a filter. I don't know what I'm thinking. So if I don't have a funnel, I will make one. I found funnels, but just for the purpose of this video, I will make one. Now I need a water bottle. Alright, found an empty water bottle. I have a funnel, but just for the purpose of this video, I mean, if you can't figure out what the hell I'm doing, then go back to school. Take the water bottle, make a good set of skizzers. Pick the water bottle up that you just dropped. Take the water bottle, skizzers, poke through, cut around, voila. Of course, get all the fucking water out of it. But there's your funnel. So if you're in a pinch and you don't got a funnel, empty out a bottle. Voila! Plop that freshly made, good ass funnel right there. Bitch. Grab your fucking oil. Freshly secured. And there you go. Slow and steady now. You don't want to let it burp. You want to let as much air go into the oil can, bottle, jug, as much oil is coming out so it doesn't splash or burp out. Slow and steady wins the race. I just find this so weird, narrating everything that I'm doing. And it's fine when I'm with a bunch of friends, we're making jokes and shit, but when I'm by myself and I'm talking to a goddamn camera, I feel a little funny. Rule number one of being in a shop. Anybody that lets you use your tools or their tools, put them back where you found them. Because it is my dad's shop, and I would not want him to come home looking for something that I used. Of course, I could put it exactly where it goes in that thing. But I know my dad, and he doesn't use that thing. He knows where everything is in this building. Even if I don't fucking know, and I find it hard to find. It took me 10 minutes to find that fucking ratchet. But he knows where it's at. So I put it back where he wants it. Another thing to do when changing your oil is to properly dispose of the old oil. Now a lot of people put them in the jugs that they just bought since they used all the oil out of them, and then they take them somewhere and somebody else disposes of them. I guess that's what someone would have to do that, I don't know, lived in a public area like Evan Shanks and TJ Hunt in San Diego. But since we live in the middle of bumfuck nowhere, Kentucky, we actually have a oil tank we keep outside our building. So that's where I put the oil after I'm done. Ooh, fresh oil coming up. Fuck. stuff right there. Good as new. Now I need to reset my ECU. Because my car does this.
Waiting for pairing.
Pad.
Pad.
We just did that. I never remember how to do this, so I'm gonna have to Google it. It says, turn the key, shut up. Turn the key to ignition one position before starting the engine. So, all the way over until it starts beeping. Immediately after step 1, press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna press it a lot. Alright, turn it off. Then start.
System check complete. That's what it says.
Alright. Cool! Oil change done. Oil is changed. Everything's good. Got the new windshield wipers on. Didn't really show that part because freaking windshield wipers. I wanted to try this today where I didn't have anybody else around. It was just me and I was vlogging myself. I wanted to show pretty much every single part to it. I don't know, just try to narrate and make a video by myself because I don't know, sometimes that's hard to do because I don't feel like I'm that entertaining to where I can be the main focus of the video, but I want to get to that point. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know when this will go up. If I even decide to put it up, I might edit it and be like, wow, Austin, you're a fucking idiot. Or I might edit it and be like, Austin, you're the fucking best. I don't know. But oil change is complete.